Hi, I'm Steve from Australian Jeweller Supplies Melbourne branch, and today I'll be talking to you about the U-Namel kit. The U-Namel system is very easy to use. It has a wide range of applications and adheres to almost any surface, and very importantly is non-hazardous. It cures via ultraviolet light anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes, which will vary on the application thickness. U-Namel will not scratch, wear, chip, peel, crack, shrink or flake, and is fade resistant. It can be layered to produce domes and cabochons, and you can drill, grind, polish, carve or even turn at high speed. The kit comes complete with the ultraviolet light itself, 5 applicators and 7 colours. These are blue, yellow, green, red, white, black and clear, and you can mix colours to make virtually any colour or shade you wish.